میشه خودچین لگرم سنخل کرانوش چرینج او ولاخ داخین گتار اخنتریانه داخلیو خخر میشه Fajal yet grush naur khanya dogru krikri gumbe mian mogahur evi shaltin kutluati.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Yo ho ho, Merry Christmas.
And a bottle of rum.
Yeah, it's middle of December, 8th I think. And I think we need our head examining. But yeah,
Beautiful morning.
Beautiful morning. And Merry Christmas, yo ho ho. Santa Claus is in the front. Say hi Santa.
Hi.
Hi Santa.
Yo ho ho.
Yo ho ho.
And a bottle of rum.
And a bottle of rum.
No, gin.
Right, start paddling Santa.
Yeah, okay.
You can see how cold it is because bloody ice is rising on the river. And we have 3 thermals on, 2 thermal socks, 3 thermal tops. And the wife is paddling straight towards the thing.
I'll do it this way.
Yeah, here we go.
Ho ho.
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. And look at this, a COVID-free area. There's no zombies here, like if you go to our local town, as I said before, it's like The Walking Dead. Brains, social distancing. COVID's all a scam, there's no such thing as the virus. Oh, for God's sake, Jesus. These are the sort of people that believe Elvis is on the moon, by the way. What a lovely day. Right, yeah, up the River Dart on the way to lovely Dartmouth, and it is an absolute Santa Claus lovely day for December the 8th I think it is. It's absolutely gorgeous, and that the tides are brilliant. It's not full tide yet, which is good. That's the thing about the rivers, you've actually got to plan, whereas with the sea it doesn't really matter so much, but the rivers with neap tides and all the different tides, you have definitely got to plan, because otherwise you get stuck in the bloody mud. I got stuck in the mud, I did, yep, stuck in the bloody mud. That's a book, was it a book, Stick in the Dump or something, I don't know.
I thought we went over there last time. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
No.
Probably the back of it.
one of the ferries for the summer. The Western Lady and the Dartmouth Princess, both passenger ferries. That's another one. Yo ho ho, Merry Christmas. Where's your wine? Have you had it all, Santa?
No, still got a bit there.
Still got a bit there. Oh, where is it? You're still swigging it. Show me. Oh, you haven't got it. Oh, you have. She's got a wine. Oh, look, there's the naval college up there. Let's stop.